I'm Polly Beth. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Any tips on logical consequences? I love logical consequences. And here's the most powerful thing you can do. All schools have values, right? We have values: respect, responsibility, safety, kind of the typical ones we see a lot. Tolerance, perseverance, resiliency, empathy, integrity. I see some wonderful ones out there. And if your school doesn't have it really clearly defined, then do it in your classroom. It's part of your culture. And then when kids are disruptive, they refuse, disrespect, whatever it is that the behavior you're dealing with, you can connect it to one of those defined values, right? So if I've defined responsibility by anticipating what's expected of me and asking clarifying questions when I'm unsure, and that's the way we define responsibility, and a child doesn't do that, they got to give back to responsibility. All right. And so I will assign them something like giving back to the community. I'll say, hey, before you go out today, before you transition today, there's some work that needs to be done in the back to organize that bookshelf. You took away from the community, you're going to give back to the community. So if you've got some solid defined values, it can really be helpful as you build what I call a menu of logical consequences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.